Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, in this video, I'll be telling you which vegetables you can grow in this August and September months. These are the prior to the winter season starts in India or in this subcontinent, and you can grow these plants, and you can get the early vegetables of the early winter vegetables. You can grow these vegetables, and once you grow this in 1 month, you can get the seedlings and you can transplant it in the next month, that is in October. You can transplant them, and in November and December you can harvest, and in that time the vegetables are very costly in the market, and you can grow in your pot or container in terrace, or you have the small place in your around a small place fallow land you can grow them. And I'm telling you the best vegetables you can grow in August September one by one. Please watch the entire video. I'll be telling you the which vegetables you have to grow. First one, I'll be recommending the tomato. Tomatoes are the one of the finest vegetables you can grow, and some of the best variety seeds are available in the market. F1 seeds, these are the Shatabdi F1 seeds. These are very cheap price, and if you want, you can grow the Namdhari variety also, Namdhari brand. This is also very nice. Just grow the all the F1 varieties. This is colors variety. You can get this one, and lots of Pusa varieties are also there in this market, and the Syngenta, or this is the Tokita Japan. This is also very nice. I have grown this a few days back, and this is the beautiful vegetables of this tomato. You can grow around 3 to 4 kilos in container, and in garden if you grow you can get 6 to 7 kilos from a plant. So this is the best plants for grow. Second one, I will recommend with the chili, and this is the colors variety chili F1 variety, and 1471. This is the Vicky best variety, the long size this green chili, and the very hot, and this is the brand. And many varieties of brands are available in the market. You can buy this F1 variety chilies, green chilies you can grow, and you can harvest lots of chilies. Third one, I will be recommending you capsicum, and capsicum is the green capsicum. If you want, you can get the red capsicum, yellow capsicum, violet capsicum, different varieties of capsicum you can grow. One thing I tell you, you have to grow in a small pots, in 1 inch pot or 2 inch pot, or in a small tray. Then you can transplant in any of the garden area or in the bigger pots over here, and you can get the lots of capsicum from there. And the capsicum is one of the finest vegetables you can grow, and around 6 months you can harvest from this capsicum, and the nice one. The next one, I'll recommend you some brinjal, and brinjal are the best time to grow this brinjal. And now the F1 varieties, different season, different brands, and different varieties of cultivars of brinjals are available. This is from colors, and if you want, you can grow from the Syngenta or any of the Namdhari. Lots of brands are available in the market. You can grow some Pusa varieties also. At least 8 to 10 varieties of best quality brinjal available in the market. You can grow any one of it. Now next one item I'll tell you, you can grow the cauliflower. Cauliflower, this is a Klaus cauliflower. This is one of the finest variety in our market, and they around 1.5 kilos, 1 to 1.5 kilos of cauliflower you can harvest from here. And different brands are available in the market. You can grow this one right now, and take 1/3 of the packet right on. After 1 month you can grow the another batches of this cauliflower. Next one is broccoli. Broccoli, this is the Sakata broccoli. This is Japan, and broccoli, the specialty is you can harvest in 2 months. You can harvest broccoli from here, 2 to 3 months, and after that you just cut off the top head portions. You can collect the vegetable, and again new branches will come out from where new small 6 to 7 broccoli will come out, again cut off. Then you can get 6 to 7 broccolis. So likewise you can get around 3 to 4 times harvest from broccoli. Up to 4 to 5 months you can harvest broccoli from here, and this is the finest. Lots of carotene and vitamins are available. So broccoli you must grow in container or in your garden. Next one, I'll recommend you the Nolkol, or this is called all these varieties of Nolkol and turnip, and just make sure the seeds are of this fresh variety, and the date of expiry is not over. So just any seeds you buy from any of the company brand, just check the germination capacity and date of packing, everything, date of expiry. And the eighth one is a flat bean or the seam, and this is the local variety, and they start fruiting in 35 days only. So we grow them. Last time I grown this variety, very nice. Within 40 days you can harvest seam or flat beans from here. or some other varieties are also, you just can grow the local varieties also. Local varieties is a very very good variety, and they are very cheap too, very very cheap. And 10 seeds you can buy in 10 rupees, you can buy seeds 10 rupees, and up to 2 years you can harvest fruits from here. This is the local variety, OP variety of Amtala. This you can see variety. And next one I will recommend you, this is the cucumber. And cucumber as the finest you can grow. This is the sweet cucumber you can grow. This is the local variety, OP variety, and this one also you can grow. Next one I'll recommend you pumpkin. Pumpkin I'll recommend you, this is the Rana variety of from this Colors brand, and 749. This is one of the finest you can grow in this monsoon season, and you can harvest up to the whole winter, up to February March you can harvest fruits from here. This is some OP varieties also you can also grow, and this is very very cheap, and local varieties, OP varieties you can also grow. You can get fruits from here. Next one I'll recommend you some of the bitter gourd, and this is some local OP variety bitter gourd, and lots of branded bitter gourds also available. At least 10 to 12 varieties of bitter gourd you can get, and make some fences here, some of these arches and some of the stakes, and you can get fruits Atlu 2 years small variety. Medium size is the best for this bitter gourd. Next one I'll recommend you radish. So this is the for the special for this local variety OP. This radish red and white, and this is for especially for this monsoon season, and you can harvest in 40 days. You can get the harvest from here. Radish, many of people do not grow in this monsoon season, but you can grow special variety radish in monsoon season. You can harvest 1 to 2 months. And next one I recommend you some of the bottle gourd varieties, some of the Mallika, Bioseed, or Sadabdi, round bottle gourd, or this long gourd, or you can grow, you can harvest up to winter. And this is OP variety. This is the all the varieties. This is a Chite variety. This is a long, and some of the spotted. So this one is also nice. And if you can grow some fruit plant also, you can grow papaya. Papaya is the right time to grow this papaya and time. And if you want, you can, if you can invest, you can spend, you can grow this red lady papaya 786 or Mexican variety also nice. But this is the local variety, and this is also very nice. I have grown it, and it is a very very sweet. Red one inside is very red, and this contains lots of vitamins. And this is the one of the finest. In 7 months you can start harvesting from fruits, and up to 3 years you can harvest very very good harvest from this papaya tree. Only thing you have to be careful, don't let water locked in the stems at the bottom of the stems. If you can check the water at the bottom of the stems, you can get lots of fruits from here. The next some leafy vegetables I will recommend you, and this is the evergreen coriander or cilantro you can grow. This is the Colors variety, and I tell you this is the seed for the best for summer months and for the monsoon season, and lots of varieties. Or if you can collect seeds from kitchen, you can grow in winter season, but this is the hot summer or this monsoon season, you can grow this Colors variety, and this is for imported seeds, and they are very cheap. And if you buy this packet 125 rupees half kilo packet you can get, and this is the one is the finest. And next one I'll recommend you some spinach, and spinach is a very nice you can grow, and this is the round and the sweet variety of this spinach. You can grow this sweet variety spinach. You can harvest in 1 month or 2 months, 3 months, and time to time you can uproot some of the plants, or you can cut off the top portion. You can harvest the top portion also, and from the below you can get the leaves again. So this is the total all these vegetables here, and I will recommend you some other vegetables also there, but this is the right time for the August and September are the right times for this vegetables. And if you want, you can grow some other vegetables also. Especially I am recommending some of the vegetables, especially the cabbage one is also nice. You can grow whole the year. And the 17th is the cabbage. You can grow the seedlings. After the seedlings 1 inch long, you can transplant them in these fields or in the garden or in the container also. So this is the all the recommendation from my side. The 17th recommendation from my side. You can August and September you can grow the seedlings, and after that you can transplant the plants, and you can get the best best harvest. And if you want, you can leave your comments below. You can just leave your comments in the comment section below, which you would recommend for this time, August and September, for growing these vegetables here in the garden or in the orchard or anything. So this is the all from today. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please like the video. If you at all want to share, please share your video, and please subscribe my channel if you have not already, and please support the channel as maximum possible by sharing the video to maximum people. So thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.